Hello friends, in this video we will be learning how to eliminate useless symbols in the given grammar. For example, you can take a grammar S tends to AB or A and A tends to A. So what is an useless symbol? So any variable is useless if it cannot be derive a terminal string. Okay, so when we say useless, any variable is useless if it cannot be derive a terminal string from the starting state. Okay, so starting state nunchi meer derive chestu unnappudu you can't derive a terminal string, then we can say that symbol is a useless symbol. Okay, so for example you can take S tends to A. So S tends to A, it derives a terminal string. Okay, so this is useful. Then take one more, S tends to AB. Here A is replaced with A and we can't any string for this B. Okay, so that's why S tends to AB is useless. Okay, so why? Because manaki B production ki there is no equivalent production to replace that symbol. Okay, so that's why this S tends to AB is useless. For example, if B tends to B kuda undi anukondi, then you may replace A with A and B with B, then it is useful. But in our problem we don't have any B productions, that's why this production is useless. Okay, so S tends to AB is useless. Next, so this one and this one are over. Now coming to A tends to A. So A tends to A is a production but which is not useful for the starting production. That's why this is also an useless productions. But out of all these grammars, what is useful production? S tends to A is only the useful production. The remaining productions are useless productions. Okay, so any variable is useless, that means it cannot be derive a terminal string from the starting state, then we can say that production variables are useless productions. Okay, let us see one more example. That is S tends to AS or A or C and A tends to A, B tends to AS, C tends to ACB. So always you can check the starting production from starting production onwards. So the first production is S tends to AS. In this AS you can substitute either A or C. I am substituting A. And now this A is replaced with A. So AA. Then it is a useful productions. Okay, so S tends to AS is useful. Next coming to S tends to A. So S tends to A and this A will be replaced with A. So this is also an useful production. Okay, next coming to S tends to C. And this C will replaced with A, C, B. Again this C will replaced with A, C, B. Again this C will replaced with A, C, B, so on. It's a recursive, no terminatable string we got. That's why this is not a useful production. So S tends to C not useful kabatti ee C tho unna productions evaithe unnayo those are also not useful. Okay, so S tends to C not useful antunnam kabatti C unna corresponding productions anni kuda you can eliminate them. Okay, next, so ikkada useful eme vachini manaki S tends to AS and S tends to A. Next coming to A tends to A, this is also useful because S tends to A, this A will replace with this A. Okay, so kabatti B tends to AA is not useless because it cannot be derived from the starting state. Plus దీన్ని మీరు ఎక్కడా కూడా యూజ్ చేయట్లా. So it is useless. Finally, the useless productions. What are the useless productions? S tends to C and B tends to AE, C tends to ACB. What are the useful? S tends to AS as well as S tends to A and A tends to A. These three productions only are useful. The remaining S tends to C, B tends to AA, C tends to ACB are useless symbols. Okay. So by using this technique, you can eliminate useless symbols. Thank you.